Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to be looking at effects on graphs. So, if we look at the parent linear function, y equals x, you can see that the slope of this graph is 1. You go up 1 and over 1. And the y-intercept is 0. That's how you get the equation y equals x. That is the parent equation of the linear function. Okay, so what effect does the constant b have on the graph of a linear function? Let's think about that. We know that that is the y-intercept, and the y-intercept controls how high up the graph we are or how far down the graph we are. So, if b increases, the graph is translated or shifted up, and if b decreases, the graph is translated or shifted down. Okay? What effect does the coefficient m have on the graph of a linear function? The larger the digit for m, the steeper the slope. And what I mean by digit is the larger the digit, so the larger the number, okay? The smaller the digit for m, the flatter the line. Now, what I'm saying is digit because if m is negative, the graph is reflected across the y-axis. It does not change its steepness. The sign does not. The size of the number. So, 10 will like if we have a slope of m of 10, it will be steeper than a slope of 1/2. Okay? So, the smaller numbers have a flatter line, the larger numbers have a steeper line. Okay? So, how does the graph differ from the parent function? What that means is, how was this graph changed by subtracting 3 from x? We know that that is b, right? And we know from b that when we change the y-intercept, it is shifted up or down. And since it's minus 3, we go down 3. Okay? This one, the next one, our slope is larger, right? The parent function slope is 1, so it is increased from 1 to 3. So, this is going to be steeper. Okay? This one right here, our slope has changed from 1 to 2/5. 1 is larger than 2/5, right? So this one's going to be flatter. And then we look at this last one. We know the negative sign, first of all, reflects it. Okay? The 2 is going to make it steeper. It is the slope. The digit itself is larger, so it's going to be steeper. And it's shifted up 5. Okay? Alright, so given the equation y equals negative 25x plus 1, write an equation of a line for a graph that is less steep. So less steep just means this digit has to be smaller. Okay, so y equals negative 15x plus 1 would work. Anything would work as long as your slope, the digit of your slope, was smaller than 25. Just a minute. And that is it for today, guys. Y'all have a great day.